Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toddler cooking set is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your little ones to the joys of cooking. Imagine your toddler's eyes lighting up as they mix, measure, and create their own culinary masterpieces. This video is all about the best cooking sets designed specifically for toddlers aged 1 to 3, helping them develop essential motor skills and a love for healthy eating in a fun and safe environment. Number 5. Cute Stone Kitchen Sink Playset. Introducing the Cute Stone Kitchen Sink Playset. This amazing set features a stove that lights up and makes realistic cooking sounds. It's designed to give kids an immersive cooking experience. The set includes a play sink with a working faucet. The electric faucet ensures a smooth water flow, adding extra fun to the play experience. It's a great way for them to pretend to wash dishes. Explore a variety of tableware accessories and simulation kitchen utensils. This allows your child to engage in washing and cooking activities simultaneously. They can really get into the role-playing. The set also includes a removable draining rack. This helps to filter water and store dishes, teaching kids the importance of organization and tidiness. It's a great way to learn while they play. The set features realistic fruits and vegetables that can be cut and peeled. This promotes imaginative role-play and encourages kids to cook and play together. It's a fantastic way to develop their skills. What we like. This kitchen sink set features realistic cooking sounds and a working faucet, making it super fun. It also includes cutting food, which is great for developing fine motor skills. If you are looking for a playset that offers an immersive and interactive cooking experience, this is a great choice. What people say. The pump is working great, no issues, and lasts a surprisingly long time with AA batteries. My daughter is 16 months old and has no issue turning the faucet on and off. Super easy to set up and clean up afterwards. Number 4. Tovla Junior 3-Piece Kids Knife Set. This knife set is designed for real cooking, providing a safe and enjoyable way for children to learn essential kitchen skills. It includes child-safe knives, perfect for all their cooking adventures. The set features kid-safe knives that are perfect for toddlers and young children. The child-safe design ensures safety while allowing them to participate in real cooking activities. Inspired by Montessori principles, this knife set promotes hands-on learning and independence. It helps children develop confidence and practical life skills in the kitchen. This comprehensive set includes 3 knives, small, medium, and large, all with non-slip handles. It's an ideal tool for children's cooking and a must-have for any aspiring young chef. With kid-friendly knives, little ones can safely enhance their chopping and cutting skills. The set promotes educational play and real-life application, perfect for the budding chef. From toddler-friendly knives to sets designed for older kids, there's a safe and suitable option for every young chef. Each piece is tailored for age-appropriate use. What we like. This set provides kid-safe knives, perfect for little hands. Inspired by Montessori principles, it promotes hands-on learning. If you want to encourage your child's independence and culinary skills in a safe way, this set is ideal. What people say. They're made specifically for children, with a non-slip handle and a blunt edge that allows my little one to safely participate in meal prep without any worry of cuts. They're sharp enough to cut through food without much effort, but they aren't sharp enough to cause any harm. The knives are just the right size for small hands. They're easy to hold and maneuver, which gives my child a sense of independence and confidence in the kitchen. Number 3. Cute Stone Kitchen Toy Set. This amazing set comes with everything your child needs to start their own kitchen. It includes a pressure pot, pan, induction cooktop, and many other accessories. It's a complete package for endless fun. Kids will be thrilled with the realistic features. The pressure cooker releases real steam, and the induction cooktop has lights and sounds. They can even fill the kettle with water for added realism. The set includes colorful play fruits and vegetables that can be cut and peeled. This feature adds a layer of fun and encourages imaginative play. It's a great way for them to learn. This cooking play set is a fantastic educational tool. It helps kids learn important life skills while improving their fine motor skills. It also encourages them to step away from screens. A durable shopping basket is also included, perfect for storing all the play food and vegetables. It's a convenient way to keep everything organized. This set is sure to provide hours of entertainment. What we like. This kitchen toy set includes a steam pressure pot and an electronic induction cooktop, providing a realistic cooking experience. It also features cutting play food, which is great for imaginative play. If you are looking for a playset that offers a variety of interactive features, it's a great choice. What people say. The electronic induction cooktop with sound and light is a standout feature. It makes realistic boiling and frying sounds that keep my kids entertained and immersed. Complete set includes pots, pans, utensils, and other accessories that make it feel like a real kitchen. Love the cooktop sounds, and the steam pot is adorable. Great for imaginative play. Love that there are so many utensils, pots, pans, and pretend food. Number 2. D-FantiX Kids Kitchen Accessories Playset. This amazing playset includes everything your child needs to start their own kitchen adventure. It comes with pots, pans, utensils, and even a chef hat and apron. They can cook up endless fun. Made with child-safe materials, this set is built to last. The stainless steel cookware and colorful cutting food are durable and easy to clean. It provides peace of mind while they play. This kitchen set is a fantastic way for kids to learn. They can role-play as chefs, develop hand-eye coordination, and learn about cooking. It's a great way to spend time with family and friends. The set comes with a convenient storage container. This makes it easy to keep all the accessories organized and prevents spills. It helps save space and makes cleanup a breeze. Looking for a great gift? This cooking toy set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's designed for children aged 3 and up, offering hours of imaginative play and fun. What we like. This set includes stainless steel cookware, an apron, and a chef hat, making your little one feel like a real chef. It also comes with a storage container for easy cleanup. If you want a complete set that encourages roleplay and organization, this is a great option. What people say. They are small but durable enough to handle her type of cooking, lol. The pretend food is her favorite. He loves the cooking set, and he loves to cut the veggies and pass plates around for everyone to eat. When he's done, cleanup is easy, just put everything back in the container. Everything is good quality and holds up to the kids' play. Number 1. Tovla Junior Kids Cooking and Baking Set. This kids' baking set is a complete package. It includes everything they need, from a portable toolbox to various utensils and tools. It's designed to make cooking fun and easy for young chefs. This set empowers young chefs with safe, non-toxic cooking supplies. The materials used are food grade, ensuring a safe cooking experience. It helps build their confidence in the kitchen. The set includes a recipe book with easy-to-follow recipes. Cooking together is a great way to spend quality time. It helps build self-confidence. Unleash your little chef's inner creativity with the all-inclusive cooking utensils. The stylish, gender-neutral colors are perfect for both boys and girls. The unisex apron helps them unleash their culinary talents without making a mess. The complete baking set promotes the development of fine motor skills. Children can use the various utensils and tools included in the set. It helps enhance dexterity and hand-eye coordination. What we like. This set includes a recipe book and all the tools needed for baking. It also helps develop fine motor skills. If you like to bake with your kids and want to build their confidence in the kitchen, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The utensils were perfect for her size, making it very easy for her to use. They're very durable, the whisk still works. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The cooking utensils and bakeware are made from durable, food-grade materials that are safe for kids to use. They're designed to withstand the rigors of cooking and baking while ensuring long-lasting durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.